Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Okay ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our unboxing. Today, that's just a screwdriver, that's just in there. We're unboxing our Colors door handle. Alright, now let's just flip this over that way. And at the back here, we have a little space there which will just get our screwdriver in. And we pull that out. Oh, that comes out like that, subway somehow eventually. Trying to work through the camera is not always as easy as straightforward. Now that bit comes out, this bit goes up. So we're gonna try to use our screwdriver just for, because we have it. Alright, that comes up and over there. Flip that down there. That one goes there. That one goes there. That goes there. Hope you like my coat. See it nice and furry. Winter. Alright, that one comes out of there. That's rubbish. That comes out of there like that. And here comes our door handles. Alright, so we get that out of there. What we get in our packaging. Got nothing much there. Here we have the bar that goes through. We have a long threaded bolt, two-sided. So that will go straight through one side of the door to the other. Alright, so apart from that, we have these. These are held onto here by these little nuts. So we got to unscrew them. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to unscrew those and come back. 1 second. Okay, there we go. I've got my my door handles out, but as you can see, I've had to kind of like rip it to shreds just to get it out. Now, let me just show you. These are, where are they? These plastic bits. Okay, those are what holds it in. Now, the way I had to get those out is I use the scissors. As you can see, I get behind it. And I could do one thing, two things. I could either try and cut it, which is going to be a lot of resistance against it as I'm squeezing it, or I could just prise the scissors upwards and that lifts it off of it. Trying to do this thing with one hand is nuts, but I'm going to try it anyway. So I'm just going to twist the scissors sideways, and it's like I'm breaking it, and I'm going to get into trouble if I do. So I'll get it under there. And you can see it's opening, so the more it opens, there, cut it off, alright? It's easier to cut it from that end rather than that end. Anyway, that's what we end up with. That's one handle, and that's two handles, okay? Now, these are what come in the package. That's the package, and this is what you get. You get that rod, which goes from there into there. Alright, that goes through your door from one side to the other, and this screw here, alright, that screws off at that end. Right, there it is screwed off. In between each of these notches, you see there? Each of these notches, you can break it off with a pair of pliers or something if it's too long. And that goes through there, just like that. So what you have is like that, and then you have your other handle, your other half of your handle. That again, I've done the same thing by putting the screw on it. So let's take that off. So we would fit this in first. I fit it to our door, and we put that on there, and that goes in there. All right, so let's line that up. And there we are. Okay, so those two fit together like that, and then we get our screw just there, and it goes through there, through your door, and at the other side of here. All right, that's where this bit comes in handy now. So this bit is now got to fit onto there. Okay, so we're going to fit this, and we're going to fit it top and bottom, and comes back to you. And come back to you, not comes. See you in a minute. Okay, that's how that lot fits together, and that's how it basically works. Here we have 4 more screws that comes in with the in a plastic bag. So if you don't want to use these, or you haven't got a hole that goes straight across, you can use these. So there'll be one for the top and one for the bottom, either side. There's your 4 screws. You also get a little Allen key. There it is. Now this Allen key, if I flip this over, that's where it fits in. So next step will be fitting it. Okay, so in the meantime, from Tradespeople's Tips, see you later. Take care of yourself. And if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. See you later.